Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Video Games 123. For the first video today, I'm going to be reviewing Windows Vista. And hopefully, well, this is just going to be a really short video. And just to get something out there, because my computer up there, that I was trying to install Windows XP, wasn't installing it. So, this is Vista. The start menu looks like this. If I go into Microsoft Word 2007, it has the arrow effect, and this is also I'm also just gonna sit here and review this Acer Aspire. I think it's the 5720. It's got an Intel Pentium dual core. You can read the specs there. 2 GB DDR2 RAM, the Acer Crystal Bright LCD, 160 GB HDD, and DVD Super Multi DL, and also 802.11bg WLAN. The BG, the Wi-Fi doesn't work on this computer for some reason, but if it did, I'd show you Supermium, which is my browser of choice on old Windows. But Windows Calendar is a cool application on Vista. Yeah. You can set an appointment. Like I can go to the 11th, new appointment. Just call it appointment up here. Appointment and done. Scroll down and done. It just says appointment. And that's about it for calendar. Another cool thing about Vista is all these widgets you can put up here. I have a clock one, a calendar one, and the CPU monitor and other stuff, because that's the only ones that work right now. And this Acer does the empowering technology, the E button up here, which opens up this and lets you see. If I go to settings, it'll let me see all the stats on the computer. It's the Aspire 5720Z. Well, alright guys, that's going to be it for today. You can see the arrow effect. That's going to be it for this video today. Have a great one. Bye bye.